Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. I actually wanted to hop on here to tell you about the 1K giveaway. Once again, I am so excited and blown away by the fact that I have reached 1,000 subscribers before my first year anniversary on YouTube. And I have you guys to thank for that. I truly cannot tell you how much that means to me that you guys like what I do and feel compelled enough to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. It truly means the world to me and I cannot thank you enough. Now, as I said in a previous video, I wanted to gift two of you with something. So I'm going to show you what that something is going to be, and there are going to be a couple little surprises in there that I'm not going to show you, but these are what I'm going to be gifting two of my subscribers, and I will be doing a random drawing. I will have all of the information down in the description box. So, two of you will receive 4 of the Dollar Tree calendars. So that's one set, and this is the second set. And a set of Marshmallow Cups. I love these. I love decorating my tiered trays with them. These little dudes. You get a set of 4. Now these are not the ceramic ones, but they are plastic, and in my opinion they look just as cute as the other ones. So you'll get a set of 4 of these. Plus, of course, a little coffee notepad, because life without coffee is just not life, right? So that is what the 2 subscribers who will be randomly chosen will get, along with, like I said, a couple little extra surprises. So I wish that I could gift every single one of you. Unfortunately, that would cost a lot of money, and I don't have that kind of money. But at least I can gift 2 of you randomly with a big thank you from me. I'm so touched and honored that you guys have come to my channel and that you like what you see, and I have you to thank for that. So thank you. I love my subscribers, and I can't wait to see who wins.